In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Android apps on your PC, even if you have never used an emulator before. Stick around because there is a powerful trick at the end that will make everything run faster. By the end of this video, you will be able to use Android apps and games on your computer easily. Hi, I'm Kamis from Easy How To, where I break down complicated tasks into simple steps for you. Let's dive in. We are going to do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Install BlueStacks. To run Android apps, we will need a tool that acts as a bridge between your PC and Android. That tool is called BlueStacks, and here's how to set it up. Click the link below this video to visit the official BlueStacks website. Click on See All Versions here. Mac users, scroll down for Mac versions. It's here. For Windows, click Download BlueStacks 5 and wait for the download to finish. Here. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instruction. It's a straightforward and beginner-friendly process. If you are new to emulators, BlueStacks is one of the easiest apps to set up and use. Got BlueStacks installed? Perfect. Next, we will log in and start downloading apps. You are going to love how simple it is. Step 2. Sign in to Play Store. Are you excited to explore Android apps on your PC? Let's sign into Play Store and get ready to download your favorite apps. Open BlueStacks and click on System Apps. Select the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Sign in. Next. Enter your password here. Next. Agree to the terms and you are all set. Great! You have successfully signed in to the Play Store. Now let's explore all the amazing apps available. If you are enjoying this video so far, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach people like you. Step 3. Download your apps. Now the fun begins. Let's download your first app or game and see it in your PC. Open the Play Store and search for the app or game you want. I will search for Memrise. Let's see. Because I'm learning a new language. Now let's install it. Click Install. And wait for it. What is the first app you will install? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Once installed, click the Home button on BlueStacks to see your app. It's here, as you can see. As I promised, here is how to avoid lag in your computer and boost your computer performance. Open BlueStacks. Navigate to the gear icon, this one here. Click on Performance. Choose the highest scores. And the memory, enhance memory. Choose performance modes. High performance. Save changes. Now you have set everything up. I will show you how to unlock even more possibilities with a simple trick in the next video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step videos. Do you want to unlock hidden apps not available on this Play Store? Click here and I will show you how.